Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to tell you the three questions that were asked in the screening round of Tata Motors, and that was interview for the senior data scientist role. First of all, I have to read they provided us the data set, and we have to read that data set, and then we can proceed with the questions. So let me read the data set first. I have downloaded the data set first. So for reading data set, we have to import pandas first. Then we will read the data set. This is showing somewhere because you have to pass here read a statement. Now we have to read the data set. Now let's check what it contains. We got So this was the sales data set in which product and sales were given with all the order date and shipments status. So it was basically the sales data of the Tata Motors, right? So they asked first question. They asked from this data set to add a column. First question they asked to add a column using lambda function, where they told us to find the discounted price, new price after discounting the price of the each items, right? So how we can implement this with the help of lambda function? I am showing you. So we have to get the discounted column. So we can copy paste it from here. We can do it other ways also, but they mention it that you have to use the lambda function to get it. So df price is the column, and here we have to apply, use apply method. Next we have to simply use 0.8, and this will give you the result. So now when we will check it, now we have got one column that is discounted price, where we have got the price of each items after the discount. This was the first question they asked. In second question, they asked to filter something without using the filter directly. We have to run for loop for this. They mention it explicitly. So how we will do it? For this, we are going to use some iteration of the row. And how we can do it? First, we are creating one list called name, because they mention to get the name of the customer and sales. So we are creating one list name, and we have to iterate through the for loop. So we are iterating index row. Iter row is the method which is used to iterate through each rows of the data frame. So now what we will do, now we will write condition, filter condition. If row size is greater than 5,000, we are going to print it directly. They told us to print, so we are going to print it directly, or we can also have put it in the list. So we are printing it, customer name. In row we have to mention the customer name exact in the data frame. Now we have also have to show the sales amount. Sales. Now when we will run it, this will be something. Okay, and we need to pass it. String. Now we can see that the customer names and the sales amount are present here. Basically, we are using filter here using the method iteros, which is used to iterate through the rows of the data frame. Now, third question they ask us to show the product line, bar chart for the product line. Here we have product line. Product line, that is motorcycle and kind of different kind of vehicles, and they show and we have to show the sales for the each product. That was the mention in the question. So here we will be doing the group by, and then we will plot the bar chart. For that, for plotting the charts, we can import the library that is required for that. Cboard and SNS, and we need to import now. What we will do, we will create first one sales column like product, product line, group by, group by we have to do product line, and we have to sum cells. So we can do directly by calling the cells. Now we need to reset the index, because when we will use group line by for the product, then product line will become the index, and cells will column will not look in the data frame. So we have to again get the data frame in same way. So we need to reset the index. Now we can use the plot bar plot. Now we can use product line. Now we can run the file. It is taking some time because we have used here Google. So it showing some error. Now one have to check. Let me test this. One, two, six. We are getting soon product is not coming. Okay, here we have made the mistake. We can get back. Now this is the plot that we have got it. This was the interview for a screening round for the senior data scientist role at Tata Motors. Thank you for watching the video.